Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert speaker notes in Google Slides. So for example, if you want to do it, you need to open the presentation where you want to add it. After that, you need to navigate the slide where you want to insert speaker notes. For example, I set here second slide. And then if I want to add it, I need to find here this one icon with straight line. How you see, the icon with a hand has been successfully displayed here. So we need to press and hold left mouse button on this icon. And then we need to change position of this icon to the upper side. After that, you can see that the speaker notes have been successfully displayed here. So we can easily type here the notes which we want to include. For example, I type here, it is really popular shape in design graphics. Of course, remember that you can easily add here more notes if you want. You can insert them here. Everything depends on your preferences. And don't forget that each slide has different speaker notes. For example, if you go to the first slide, you can insert here different notes. So now you can start your slideshow if you want. So we click on this arrow and we select here presenter view. This option will let you to start slideshow with speaker notes and audience. So I click on it and here you can find presentation and here you can find speaker notes. If you will change the slide to another one, to the second one, you will see here the notes that we have included before. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to add speaker notes in Google Slides, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.